All right, we got a problem here. So it's 2007 Honda CRV, 2007, 2009 Honda CRV, they're all the same. We got the check engine light on. So I'm gonna plug in my OBD reader. This is from Amazon. This is auto link from Amazon. So I plugged it in. It is a P0325 knock sensor 1, circuit bank 1, or single sensor. So we'll check that out. All right, so it looks like it's the knock sensor. This is a 2007 Honda CRV, but this will be all the same as 2007, 2009. So the knock sensor is in front of the car. You can see it. Well, it's actually on the air intake manifold here, but it's actually behind it. It's next to the starter. If you see my other video how I did the starter in this car, check out that video. I should have replaced the knock sensor since I was there, but hey, I didn't know that was gonna happen. But anyway, you peep through this hole here. This is this opening for this peacock for the radiator drain, but it's actually right back there, right about there. I'll shine the light on it more, but we're looking right there. It's kind of rusty. I can get the light on there for you. So right there, that rusty one right there, that is the knock sensor. And this is 2007 with like 250,000 miles. We're gonna have to put some PB blast on there to get that knock sensor out. I believe it's 27 millimeter. We'll use a 27 millimeter, either deep socket or open wrench, one of those. We'll order a new one, maybe from Amazon, maybe from Honda. But that's what it is. It's just the knock sensor is bad, so it's been many years. So clips we got. I'll do one here. Little pick tool I got here. And you can do a fastener tool remover. This is also from Amazon. It came with the new tabs for these fasteners here. May just break it. Just give it a new one. Yep, it's coming up. Oh, so much for that. That's broken. If you're enjoying this channel, please consider subscribing. Appreciate you guys commenting and watching these videos. Helps the community grow. We're going to grow together. So consider subscribing if you haven't already. Yeah. See if we can get to it now. So, got all those clips off. I kind of bent the lip down. Now you can see where the knock sensor is. Right over there. Right there. Yeah. Everything's in the way. Always. Alright, I had to jack up the car. I couldn't take it anymore. I had no room to work with. So that's on jack stands. 4 jack. I put chalk the wheels, safety first. And I put jack stands underneath the car just in case the old schnabel goes wrong. So I got 2 jack stands there. There it is. Finally, the cable for the sensor is out. And we're gonna put some duct tape over it and tie it to that harness up there, just so it can be out of the way when we take out the old knock sensor right there. So next time you guys are doing your heat pipe or your starter, just change out the knockout valve, because it'd been much easier if I had it done when it was already there. So there it is. That's the old knock sensor. Besides, this part looks pretty good. That looks pretty clean there. You know, it's been 18 years. So it's time for a new one. Let's put a new one in. All right, here was the new one. Look, take a screenshot of that. That's the part number for that. And here's the old, here's the new. What I hear online that don't replace it with some aftermarket stuff. This is genuine Honda stuff. So this is actually from Honda. You can see. So use Honda stuff. What people are saying that online is that aftermarket, I guess the knock sensor in here is not as robust. So go ahead buy the OEM brand. I am no, if you watch this channel, I'm more and more a fan of OEM rather than some aftermarket. You can save some money with the aftermarket, but if it's going to cause you trouble in the long run and bring that check engine light back, then I wouldn't do it. This is about $100 from the dealership. Actually, I got it from Amazon, but it's a Honda part, so go ahead and grab that from Amazon. All right, I got this from one of the YouTube guys. So he said to put a tubing at the tip of this, so that way it gives you something to hold on to, because as you can see, it's very tight in the tight quarters. That way I'm not just using my fingers to spin, or I can grab this, kind of spin it in, and then remove this tube. So I measured it. You may need a 1/2 inch internal diameter, so cut off a little, maybe looks like 1.5 2 inch tubing, and just stick it on the end of this. What I have here is just it's used for caulking, so this is to seal off the caulk gun, that way you're not drying out your caulking. So it's yeah, caulking cap, that's what I use, that's what I have. All right, cleared the codes are gone. We'll drive this down, we'll drive this around for at least a week or so. I'll take it to work and see if that code comes back. All right, so looks like the code hasn't come back. Hopefully that helps out you with your P0325 knock sensor on a Honda CRV, 2007-2009 Honda CRV. Most knock sensors, it'll work for any car. Change the cheapest thing, which is the knock sensor. Like I said, go with the OEM rather than aftermarket. For there, here online is aftermarket may not be your best choice, so might as well do it once and do it right. So hope you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Comment below if you like these kind of videos. Will help you cost savings, building a community together, helping you guys fix your cars. One of the big threes in finance that affects us all. I appreciate everybody watching these videos, and I'll see you next one.